Are we lost? Did you get us lost again? Until Mom, if we ever make it home. What if some rules to kidnap us and cook up for dinner, huh? Here we are minding our own business, and the next thing you know, we become the skillet special at Denny's. It happens. Don't you want America's Most Wanted or the X-Files?
My God, do you really think someone is going to eat us? For someone to eat us, they would have to see us in their view line, and we're only about 3 inches tall, and that doesn't make any kind of breakfast for anyone. We're not going to be eaten, and besides that, we are not lost. All we have to do is walk across the bridge, cross the street, and zigzag through most of Lower Manhattan.
Well, I'm sorry, but that hardly sounds like a skip, hop, and a jump away. If it wasn't for you,
if it was not for me, it's always my fault. Like when you use all the dishes and leave them in the sink, I'm the one who gets yelled at for the dishes, not you. Nobody ever yells at you because you're so perfect. Just because you got into Stuyvesant and you get a 1500 on the SATs doesn't make you better than me. I'm the one who always gets left with the garbage, even at 4 o'clock in the morning.
Fine, if you want to be a bitch, I'm gonna get a cab home.